Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate lifetime on Roku, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate lifetime on Roku, start by turning on your Roku device. Once your device is on, navigate to the home screen. Scroll down to find the streaming channels option. Select streaming channels to open the channel store. In the channel store, use the search function to find the lifetime channel. Type lifetime using your remote. When you see the lifetime channel in the search results, select it. Choose Add Channel to begin the installation process. After the channel is added, return to the home screen. Locate the lifetime channel in your list of installed channels and open it. Once the channel is open, navigate to the option that says Activate your account. This will display an activation code on your screen. Now, take note of that activation code. Using a computer or mobile device, go to the Lifetime Activation website. Enter the activation code from your Roku screen on the website. You may need to log into your Lifetime account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Once the activation is successful, return to the Lifetime channel on Roku. You should now have access to all available content on Lifetime. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Lifetime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.